Alright, so today I'm back at Sun Ace and I'm going to be doing a caliper changing from the Alteza's caliper to the Celsius caliper. Right. So this right here is the Alteza's caliper and it's also found stock on the Aristo. This is the caliper, the 4-pot caliper from the UCF21 Celsior, Toyota Celsior, which is also called a Lexus LS400. I decided to go with a set of stock steel rotors for this project. The first step is to remove the nut inserts from the caliper. You're going to replace those with a set of staggered nut inserts, and those will allow you to align the holes in the caliper to the holes in the Toyota Crown's hub. Now, because this caliper and rotor set or setup is actually bigger than the ones that were on it before, it's going to interfere with the dust guard that's on the car right now. So a lot of people just remove the entire dust guard, but I wanted to keep the part that directs air towards the rotor. So I decided to just cut away the parts of the dust guard that are going to be touching the rotor or touch the caliper. Right now I'm going to be installing my staggered nut inserts, and I decided to do this side while the caliper is still on the car and using the nut behind it to pull it in. In retrospect, I shouldn't have done it this way. It's probably best to use a bench press or something to actually insert the nuts first, because in doing it this way you could actually slant the nut inserts and it will give you more problems. Mine were okay, but you know, it could happen, so avoid doing it this way. Alright, so let me bring you in closer so you can see what I'm actually doing. So basically, this caliper wasn't designed for this car. So what I'm doing right now is putting some bolts. If you can notice, the center of these nuts are not aligned, right? And that is going to do is move the center line of the nut up or down so it matches the car. So these are adapter nuts for this caliper, which is a bigger caliper than was designed for this car. This brake upgrade for this car is pretty simple. Once you align the staggered nut inserts, that's basically it. You just need to remove the caliper again, replace the rotors, and you know, install the lines, bleed the system, and that's basically it. You might have problems with the wheels touching the caliper, so you probably will need some spacers on there like I have right here. But that's basically it. I'm not sure what else I'm going to be doing to this car. I'm trying to keep it simple. It's my daily driver, but I wanted good brakes on the car. Please like, subscribe, and share.